In this video, we will be discussing how to enter and utilize the test mode function of the MS-10 platform. Begin by connecting the interstage pumps into the back of the platform, ensuring that the notch on the pump connector is aligned with the indent on the electrical receptacle. Failure to properly align the pump connector will result in irreparable damage to the platform. After aligning the pump connector, push it into the receptacle and tighten the fitting to secure it in place. Repeat this process for the remaining 3 pumps on the platform, but do not connect the micro USB connections coming from the diamond bags. After turning the platform on, the red caution lights will flash 3 times indicating the platform is in test mode. The platform will begin cycling through and powering each pump and corresponding pair of lights for a few seconds. If any of the pumps or lights do not get activated during test mode, contact your Zaiput representative for assistance. After all pumps and lights have been tested, power off the platform. To return the platform to its normal operating state, plug the micro USB connectors coming from the diamond bags into the back of the platform so all electrical connections have been made. The platform will now be in its normal operating state the next time it is powered on.